All right, that is my 6 pounds of drained sweet corn in my crock pot. Next, we're coming in with our blocks of cream cheese, and we're just putting that right on top of our corn. I have 2 packages, so that's 16 ounces of cream cheese. I'm coming in with 2 cans of Rotel, and I kept the liquids in there. And this is gonna go right on top of the corn and that cream cheese. Yummy. This is a super easy and super delicious crockpot appetizer. I have here 16 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar, and I did grade this myself, so it is gonna be extra melty, extra delicious, just what you want for this easy appetizer. That corn, that Rotel, and the cheese smell incredible. And I have an 8 quarts crock pot, so it can fit all of this goodness in here, but you can cut this recipe in half. Now this is optional, but I'm adding 2 cans of my diced jalapenos, and I like the pickled jalapenos, but you could also do fresh. Now for more cheese, I have my queso fresco, and we're gonna go ahead and grab this out of the package. And with this cheese, you wanna just kind of crush it in your hands and crumble it right into our crock pot and kind of just place it where it fits. But this cheese crumbles so easily, it's so tasty, and it just adds like that little spunkiness to our appetizer that you're gonna want. So let's quickly get this nice and crumbled into our crock pot. All right, now we're gonna come in with our limes, and we're gonna use our lemon squeeze to juice out our lime juice, and we are gonna use the whole lime for this. Oh yeah, so easy, so delicious. Once we get this lime juice in here, we have one more thing we're gonna add to this, and this is gonna be ready to start cooking. Oh, that lime is just gonna add some great flavor. All right, and we're gonna finish this off with some chopped cilantro. Just like with the jalapenos, this is also optional, but my family likes cilantro, so I'm just gonna do a nice little sprinkle right on top, not too much. That looks good. And once it starts getting melty and all gooey, we can give that a mix. But this is ready to start cooking. Fits perfectly in there, and we're gonna pop this on high. All right, it's been on high for 3 hours. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on warm, and let's check it out. Oh my, it smells incredible. We're gonna come in with our large spoon, and it is time to mix this up. We have the corn, the cream cheese, the sharp cheddar, the Rotel, the jalapeno. Oh my, this is gonna be delicious. We're giving this some good mixing to make sure everything comes together perfectly. Yummy. Doesn't that look good, babe?
Oh my goodness, I can smell it. I want a bite now.
Oh yeah, okay, let me finish mixing this up and then we'll dig in. All right, our corn dip is ready, perfect for summer. We even have our late July tortilla chips, but you can use whatever chip you want, a Frito, whatever you like. And we're gonna dig right in. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. All right, we gotta move away from the crock pot so we don't eat over it.
Is it good?